Look at this insane bento box from the Hookup Tackle. Swim baits and soft plastics. Got Hera tailors. I got fish roller 5 inchers. Battle hogs. I got wriggle curlies. I don't know. What am I going to do with that? Fish roller 6.5s. More Hera tailors. The smaller size, I think. 3.7 inch. More Hera tailors. I got drift fries, 5.2s. I got the new Mega Bass Haze STs. Some sort of swim bait. More fish rollers, 4 inches. BR fishes. Stagger sticks. What is this? More fish rollers. What the heck? Big two-way. OSP Doe Live Shads. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, some Raid Libero swimmers. More Liberos, the bigger size. Nice. OSP Doe Live SS Gill. Looks like a giant tick. Nice little Doe Live beavers, the little ones. Little baby ones. And this crazy looking thing. What am I going to do with that? Oh yeah. Tiny bull shooter from Depths. That's going to be fun. Oh, Sakana slide. Nice. Now I got 2 of them. Gilsoft 130. Got 2 of these now. And the OSP Karen. Star of the show right there. And that's it. $400 worth of tackle for $100.